Alright guys, I'm going to try and clean up the lift and get it taken off the jack stands today because I want to set the body on it. But before I set the body down on it, I want to go ahead and real quick throw in the Zeus tabs to hold this piece in. So that way I'm not fighting with this pillar right here. So let's get those put in real quick and then clean up our mess because we have a heck of a mess going on. Just been working real heavy non-stop and that's a side effect. So alright, let's get some tabs put in. Alright, we got the bed removed from the standing up point. Got Mike and Cody here lending a hand. We got the truck off the jack stands. We set the body back on it to try and figure out firewall deal and playing with a few more things. It looks really good with the bed on it, but we're going to make it fit a little bit better. Factory S10s don't fit that great from the factory. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut more out of this, okay? So Cody picked it up and he's like, man, I bet it weighs 80 pounds. So I went got the bathroom scale. We weighed him and we weighed the bed and it was 81.4 pounds is how much this bed weighs. I would really like to try and get closer to the 40 mark, 50, 40 pounds, something like that, and I'd be happy. So we're going to make this two-piece, okay? This bedside's going to bolt on and fasten on, and this one will do the same. So we get to lose this weight, this crap, that weight, this weight, the whole bottom half, cut all this pocket out so it'll literally be just skin. And plus there's all the factory tailgate hardware there. So instead of doing fiberglass bedsides, I'm willing to bet that we can get it going here. And yes, I do have pictures of it with the bed on it, and oh my god, y'all, it looks good. It's sitting a little higher than it's supposed to right now because all the suspension's on it. There's no motor in it, so it was sitting up, so we picked it up even higher so the rockers could sit level with the chassis, which is how I intended it to be mounted. And it still looks great. It's still tucking a lot of tire, so it'll probably come down 2 inches or so, I would imagine, from this point. But we won't know until all the final weight's there. So I'm going to set up a little time lapse of us being super rude to this bed with a Milwaukee bandsaw here. So let's see how this goes. All right, y'all, it's raining, but this is how we have to do it. Got Cody is weighing himself so we can weigh bedsides. We took all of this out right here, y'all. The bed weighed 81.4 pounds is the way y'all have always seen it, okay? That's just a bit heavy. We talked about fiberglass bedsides and stuff, but this is ideal. So we went ahead and finished cutting everything out of it to see what we can get total weight down to. And he's been weighing it, and we saved 27 pounds. So the bedsides come down to only being 27 pounds a piece. So you're talking 54 pounds total for both bedsides. I think we can manage that, and there's still a little bit we can shave and stuff like that, but I think this is ideal. This is it. You know what I mean? Like, this is a factory steel S10 bed that we just sit here and keep trimming and trimming. I mean, this all right here was how much?
27. I'm gonna weigh again. Right,
yeah, hold on. We're gonna say 223.4 there. I'm gonna put them holding this stuff, which is just ram board that you can hold it all up. So
we'll take away 0.2 off of it.
Come on, there you go. And that's 250.6. 27.2 pounds of mumbo jumbo we cut out of there. Y'all, that's pretty damn good. That's pretty good. That's yeah. We weighed
another 3 pounds.
We weighed the hardware and all that stuff. Yeah, so I do believe that there's a bunch of weight left in this deal that we can take out. But when I say a bunch, it's not going to be another 10 pounds. And then we have these brackets that get mounted here to mount the bed up to the cab. I'm going to go ahead and use rib nuts on this. It's pouring down rain outside. We've got a bunch of weather coming in. That's why it's loud. But we're going to use rib nuts here. And that way we can bolt the bed sides on. And I'll probably do bolts in the back as well. So if I need to, for whatever reason, get in there, which hopefully we don't, we can remove a bedside without not too much work. So this is exciting. This is progress. I'm extremely happy. Yeah, we're gonna start getting the bed test fit. All right, before I pick up the phone and show y'all what it looks like on there, this driver's side is bolted up in the front. It is where it's gonna be mated to the cab, and yeah, holy crap, man. This is legit. We saved a bunch of weight. I think making this mounting is going to be so much easier. Like, I'll show y'all. Look at this. We'll just build a support tree from here to here. Oh, man. This is crazy, y'all. This is a hot rod. Look at that fitment. Dang.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well...
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh, my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.